The orthopedic department at Sir H.N. Reliance Foundation Hospital provides a comprehensive solution to the entire spectrum of orthopedic conditions. Equipped with the state-of-art infrastructure, we leverage the technique, technology and teamwork to ensure most optimal patient care. The department has focused subspecialty teams that deliver services in their own niche areas like joint replacement, arthroscopy, spine surgeries, sports medicine, foot and ankle surgery, shoulder surgeries, and orthopedic oncology. This is all backed up by a team of specialists who deliver urgent care and trauma services throughout the day and night in the hospital. With the most advanced technologies like robotic assisted joint replacement surgeries, high definition arthroscopes, intraoperative navigation, intraoperative CT scans, a well-defined gait lab, and all this backed up by a pain and rehabilitation team, we ensure that no stone is left unturned to deliver the most efficient care available. This is all backed up by a team of specialized fellowship trained surgeons who excel in their field. And not only that, they also ensure that they train the next generations of orthopedic surgeons who will go on to excel in the field of academics and research. The department is also on the forefront of research, development and innovation. And today it has got more than 50 very highly cited international and national publications. The team is known for research and development activities and academic research that is known nationally and internationally. The department and its team members are known for their pioneering work globally, especially in the field of 3D printing, robotics, and short stay surgeries. As we grow from strength to strength, our focus remains resolute, and that is to help our patients lead an active, pain-free life and to bring a smile to their faces.